Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with beautiful embroidery work in the pallu. A netted transparent fabric pallu here. A very elegant and exclusive design. Soft netted fabric with the parrot design in the embroidery. Multiple colors used. Colorful peacocks, the parrots, and we have same color, the body color blouse piece. A pure form of raw silk it is. Dupian finish weaving. You can see the fine finish of the saree. Beautiful one, and the color of the saree is a pastel pink, a very mild skin shade pink it is. Very elegant one with the zari borders on both sides. An excellent pastel finish saree, completely handmade with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving, a very elegant embroidery work on the beautiful netted pallu. Soft netted fabric it is. You see the transparency, and very elegant colors used for the parrot design here, completely embroidered one. The saree is also in a pastel shade with the blouse also in same color. A light blue it is, a pastel blue. Very beautiful shade saree. You can see the Dupian finish weaving as well. The threads are very elegantly given. Complete hand weaving with zari border in both sides. An excellent silver zari border it is. A beautiful color, a pastel lovers will love this saree. A completely hand weaving, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with excellent embroidered pallu. The pallu here is a transparent netted fabric, very elegant, soft and beautiful net fabric it is, with the pot making concept in the embroidery work. And here we have same body color pallu and blouse piece. The saree is a pastel shade color, almost the raw silk color itself, a tussa color, or a mild sandal finish half white. And you can see the Dupian finish weaving. Weaving is a perfect weaving here, completely handmade with the gold zari borders in both sides. Excellent pastel collection with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very beautiful netted pallu. Embroidery work done on the knitted fabric. Very beautiful design. You can see the soft net fabric on it. The embroidery twig design with floral embroidery work is done. And here we have the blouse that is also in the saree color. The complete saree have a golden zari border in both sides. The saree here is beautiful, a dark shade pink color. Beautiful pink it is. With the Dupian finish weaving, completely hand weaved, excellent saree with the zari borders. Beautiful weaving, excellent embroidery work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted pallu. A beautiful netted pallu on it. Embroidery work is done. A soft net fabric, very elegant transparent knitted fabric it is, with the beautiful brown and blue, and we also have white used for the embroidery work. Same body color blouse piece. The complete saree and the blouse piece have the zari borders in both sides. Here we have a light skin shade color, mild peach shade mixed with half white to get a beautiful pastel shade color. You can see the beautiful Dupian finish, hand woven finish it is with the zari borders. Excellent pastel shade saree with beautiful embroidery work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work with pallu. Beautiful, soft and netted transparent fabric with the pot making concept in the pallu. Very beautiful embroidery work in multiple colors, and same pallu color, and pallu and blouse body everything is in same color. The blue here, Ananda blue, beautiful shade of blue it is, with the completely hand woven Dupian finish. You can see the threads that is very visible in post concept, and we have the golden zari borders in both sides of the saree. A beautiful, perfect hand woven saree with embroidery work with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with beautiful netted pallu and embroidery work done on the netted pallu. Excellent color here, light soft fabric on the pallu, and on it the embroidery finish is done in the darker shades of blue. Beautiful body color blouse piece. The complete saree is plain except the pallu, which have embroidery. The color of the saree here is very beautiful. A light shade blue it is, almost in a turquoise blue shade. Excellent one with silver zari borders on both sides, and the Dupian finish is very visible and beautiful here. A perfect hand woven, excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant transparent netted pallu and embroidery on the pallu. Here we have a soft, beautiful fabric, exclusive collection. The grey and blue are used for the embroidery here, contrast ones. And here we have the same body color, blouse piece. The body color is a pastel grey here, beautiful shade, a very different and elegant shade it is. You can see the visible embossed design, the Dupian finish, very elegantly done, completely hand woven beautiful design with zari borders in both sides. The saree comes with authentic silk mark.